fellow deer hunters. Hope everybody's been getting the chance to get out there and enjoy the great outdoors, pursuing your whitetail hunting or duck hunting or whatever gets you going. With me, my passion this time of the year is chasing deer. Let's see here, what we got going today. We got the we just finished up the November portion here, the firearm season in the Show Me State, and this middle of the week, 21st here, we opened up the antlerless portion, where we can go out and we can use our firearm to take a antlerless deer. In Missouri, that means anything less than 3 inches on the antler. But preferably, the hunt is designed to thin the herd and thin the ones that make the babies. So my understanding is that's why they have a doe hunt. According to Tony Kalna in Conservation Department, and what I read in Game and Fish in Tony's column, there's about 1.5 million deer in Missouri. And the Conservation Department has designed several hunts to manage that population. I'm going to go out and take part of one today. Pretty much ever since I've been hunting deer, which has been about 10 years, I'd say, roughly. Maybe a little longer. I started hunting deer in the fall of 2002. I think pretty much most of that time we've been doing antlerless firearms hunts. Today, we're looking at highs in the 40s. It's going to be a fairly cold sit back there in the timber. Kind of 10 to 15 mile an hour south winds, partly cloudy. Sunset's around 5, so by the time I get in there, I'm hoping to have a couple hours on stand anyway. Should be cool. Looking forward to it. See you back in the timber. Okay. It's just after 3:30. And we lose our legal shooting light at about 5:30. Now you guys know I've had some trouble getting it done with my bow in the past, but I've got my 4-power here Tasco rifle scope on my 30-30. Gathers a whole lot more light than those peep sights do on your bows. So, get after it here. See if I can put a nice meaty doe in the family meat locker. Somebody to the west of me, within a quarter of a mile or so, probably a half mile, they were just shooting one high-powered round after another, and you really don't have too much deer movement when that's going on, but that's their way.